We didn't predict what I now believe is an epidemic of e-cigarette use among teenagers. Today, we can see that this epidemic of addiction was emerging when we first announced our plan last summer. Hindsight and the data that's now available to us fully reveal these trends, and the impact is clearly apparent to the Food and Drug Administration. Unfortunately, I now have good reason to believe that it's reached nothing short of an epidemic proportion of growth. I use this word, epidemic, with great care. E-cigs have become an almost ubiquitous and dangerous trend among teens. The disturbing and accelerating trajectory of use we're seeing in youth and the resulting path to addiction must end. It's simply not tolerable, and I'll be clear on these points. The FDA will not tolerate a whole generation of young people becoming addicted to nicotine as a trade-off for enabling adults to have unfettered access to these same products. We've also sharply expanded our enforcement against retailers who illegally sell these cigarettes to kids. This spring, we focused on sales of Juul, issuing 56 warning letters and 6 civil money penalties to retailers as part of this effort. And today, we're announcing that we're taking another significant enforcement compliance action. We're announcing the largest ever coordinated initiative against violative sales in the history of FDA. This is the largest single enforcement action in the agency's history, and it's aimed at retail and online sales of e-cigarettes to minors.
I will do that for sure.